If you are a student of Invertis University, you might have received an ID card that can also function as an ATM card. However, many people do not know how to activate it or link it to their YPay application to use it. In today's video, I will quickly show you how to link it to your YPay apps, so make sure to watch this video carefully. To link this ID card to the YPay app, first download the YPay application from the Play Store on your mobile phone and open it. If you have already installed it, it will prompt you to enter your credentials and you will see an interface like this. Once you navigate to that section, you will locate a card number corresponding to your previous card. By tapping on it, 3 distinct options will appear below. The primary option presented is to replace the card, so proceed by selecting that choice. A QR code scanner like this will appear in front of you. Bring the backside of your card to your phone's camera and you will see your card number appear here. You can see it has appeared on my phone. When you click, it shows a message like this, but since I had already done it before, it displayed this way. As soon as you click there, your success will be fully re-registered with this new ATM card. You will see that the previously written and there was no CVV code on it. Now it is linked with the new ATM card. If you go to the home page of this app, you will see all the photos of Invertis University are now there. Images of Romesh Gautam and Parth Gautam sir have been uploaded, meaning our card has been successfully linked to the YPay app. However, when you are linking, a message saying your card is blocked will appear, but don't worry because a new message will come saying your new card has been activated. In this way, you can link your ID card to the YPay app. If you want to know how to perform KYC on it, I will make a video for that as well. That's all for today's video. We will meet in the next video with a new topic.